Ever thought about how this year could change your life? Let's unlock that secret together. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover some surprisingly simple steps that can transform 2024 into your most incredible year yet. Imagine ending this year and looking back at a journey filled with growth, achievements, and personal breakthroughs. That journey starts right now. So, are you ready to dive in and make 2024 a year to remember? Imagine this. The end of 2024 is here and you're smiling, full of pride, because you made this year amazing. Every day, you did something small that added up to something big. Sounds exciting, right? Now think about it. What if this isn't just a maybe, but a real plan for your year? That's what we're talking about today. Simple steps, big changes. You're not just watching a video, you're starting a journey to a better, smarter you. You won't believe how easy it can be to make this year the best of your life. Think about what you really want this year. Is it a new hobby, being healthier, or just being happier every day? We all have dreams. Now think about one small thing you can do to start. It's like planting a seed. You might not see it grow right away, but with a little care every day, it turns into something beautiful. That's how your dreams work too. A little bit every day adds up to big changes. By the end of 2024, you'll look back and say, I did it. And that's an amazing feeling. So what's that small thing you'll start with? Remember, every great journey begins with a simple step. Let's make each step count. What's that one thing you always wanted to do? Maybe it's playing a guitar, cooking something yummy, or just figuring out how to fix something. Let's make this year about trying those things. You don't need hours. Just a little time each day can lead to awesome results. Think about it. By the end of the year, you could be playing cool tunes or making tasty meals. It's not about being perfect. It's about having fun and getting a bit better each day. Learning new things makes life exciting. So what will you start learning? Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Let's start small and enjoy every step of learning. Let's talk about something really key, feeling good every day. Being healthy isn't just about big changes, it's about the little things we do daily. How about a quick walk or picking an apple instead of a cookie? These small choices make a big difference. Picture this, it's the end of 2024 and you're feeling great. Why? Because you choose to do something small but healthy every day. It's incredible how these little steps can make us happier and full of energy. Taking care of yourself is smart. It helps you do everything else better. So, what's your small step for today? Taking care of your health is like giving a gift to yourself every day. Think about the people in our lives. Chatting with a friend or saying hi to someone new can make a whole day better. It's amazing how much a simple talk can do. This year, how about reaching out to a friend you haven't seen in a while? Or maybe say hello to someone new. Every chat and every smile makes life a bit more fun. You never know. The new friends you make this year could be friends forever. All it takes is a little hello. So, who will you talk to today? Remember, the best friendships start with a simple step of reaching out. Think about tough times, those moments when things get hard. But here's a fun way to see them, like a game. Every hard thing you face is a chance to grow a bit more. This year, when you find something hard, just think, this is making me stronger. It's like getting a new skill each time you solve a tough problem. By the end of the year, you'll be amazed at how much you've learned. So next time something hard comes up, you can smile and say to yourself, I can handle this. That's how we make 2024 a winning year. Are you ready to play this game? Here's a cool idea. Doing a little bit every single day. Think about it like watering a plant. A bit of water each day and it grows big. It's the same with your dreams. A little step every day can lead to big things. Maybe it's reading a few pages, taking a short walk, or choosing a fruit instead of a cake. These small steps, when you do them every day, can really change your year. Imagine getting to the end of 2024 and seeing all the awesome things you've done just by doing a bit each day. So, what's your small step going to be today? Every day is a chance to grow. Let's use each day to make something great happen. So we're at the end now. Today we talked about little steps that make big changes, learning cool stuff, staying fit, meeting friends, and facing tough times. All these can help make 2024 really special. It's all about the small things you do every day. Now think about one small thing you're going to do after this video. Every little action is important and helps you have an awesome year. So, what will your first step be? Remember, each small step can lead to big, amazing things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more ways to make every year the best one yet. Catch you in the next video.